Alright, and my ones are going to go here. Twos are going to be right behind them. This is where a ballista would have come in really handy. Oh, some regrouping. I think he thinks I'm gonna go here. So let's just let's put these guys here. Let's be annoying. Let's start going to different places. I want my horses to be here. See, he regrouped to face that. So my archers are naturally going to go here. Since he has no cavalry, I kind of have a... he might have cavalry, I don't know. But since I think he doesn't have cavalry, I'm going to... What is this? What's happening? What I'm going to do is keep making him think the worst. I'm just going to move these guys here and keep making him regroup. Let's see what's the range for these guys. What's the range? I have a few more squads of missile units. So what I think that'll help me do is see, flaming shot. What that'll help me do is get him to have to come to me, maybe, hopefully. I'm not sure if they're way out of range right now. Let's see if I can get those horses. Where's the edge of the map? If I can get these horses to make them have to... he might be hiding troops there, though. Why aren't they firing? I hate this. Start shooting. Maybe their units are stronger, though, so that's what I'm afraid of. I don't know. Looks like they're taking some damage, but why aren't they like moving in faster? This is war. We're not like... Okay, so it looks like I have the advantage there. Kill the squad. Shit. Horses I didn't see. I want to be able to cut off those troops right there. He's putting most of them up on the hill, so if I can get my what is this unit? Why are these guys so slow? I mean, come on. Regroup. Go over there. I don't know how my horses are going to fare against those, but I have a fly in my face. No one's dying. Come on, get some kills. Oh wow, it looks like I lost. Why aren't these guys attack? I told them to attack. Uh, Seems like having a lot of missile units never pays off. So it's better to have like a bunch of infantry, I guess. I don't know. Where are they getting all of these squads from? Like full squad, like almost full squad. Like come on. Everything's in slow motion. Yeah, it seems like if all of these guys were not shooters right now, I'd have an advantage, but or maybe I would, I don't know. Well, I don't know why everything's in slow motion, but yeah, looks like they won. I might need to stop using so many skirmishers or something, because every time I do, kind of seems good in the beginning, but then it doesn't like really matter. They have so many more squads of just beefy units that it doesn't like. And every time I have them surrounded, like my troops are around them, and now they're like not around anything. I don't know why we're playing in slow motion. I don't know if it's the internet that's slowing everything down, or if it's this dude like that just put it on. All right. I'm just gonna spend the last minutes here being super duper annoying. Seems like my troops are a little faster because they're lightweight. Maybe if I'm annoying enough, I can win. Like, how are they catching up? This doesn't make any sense that all of their troops are always faster than mine. Well, anyway, I lost, but God, that's so much brush. Alright. Anyway, Sissy defeat. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'll be making more Total War 2 videos.